So this is the elevator. There are two elevators on each floor, and each floor has 4 flats. This is one. This is another flat. The staircase, the electricity meters, third flat, and the fourth flat, which is ours. Next to the flat there is a pipeline for fire, water and all, and then the staircase. So let's go inside our flat. So when we enter, this is the living room, and there is a balcony next to the living room. This is the living room, and that's the area of the living room. Then there is a balcony. We can go outside and have a look. It is right next to the balcony of the other flat owner, and that's the main gate. We can see there is Amrapali Builders project in front of the Ace Aspire apartments. This is another tower. So let's go back in. This is the area where we can have our television and entertainment system. And then this is the kitchen. That's the kitchen area. And this is the master bedroom with wooden floor type tiles. That's the place for the almirah. And that's the balcony with the master bedroom. It has a attached toilet and bathroom. Let's close the door. This is the bath area. Let's come back again to the master bedroom. Go back. That's the kitchen. It has a separate door which opens up into another third balcony. I forgot to show you the master bedroom's balcony. So this is a bigger balcony which gives you a much better view of the surroundings, including the other apartments, and the brilliant view of our garden and pool, and the snakes and litter in the walkway. Right next to the pool there is the club and gymnasium, and there's plenty of area over here to walk and do your morning walks and stuff. Right at the end of the apartment, and there is a garden which is being seen. There is a huge park which is being built for the apartment owners to go there and have the morning walks and exercise, and there's a huge park after these 2-3 apartments at the end of this road. this walkway where it ends. So let's go back inside, and there is the second bedroom with the place for the almirah, and this is a bathroom which opens up from the bedroom itself also, and then it has an entrance from the living area as well. So when the guests are there in the home, they can use this door to use this bathroom. Otherwise, we can keep this closed and use it as an attached bathroom to this bedroom as well. It also has its own balcony. So this is the fourth balcony that we have. Third balcony. I mean, this is common. Sorry, this is the common balcony, and the other flats. This is a common balcony for the kitchen, and this can be used for washing clothes and drying up clothes, and this gives another kitchen view. And then again you can see the apartment from here. So let's go back inside. There is huge amount of ventilation in the house. Even if there is no electricity, just open up the balcony doors and huge amount of air comes in. I think that's pretty much it. Good thing about this particular building is they've got 2 lifts for 4 flats, whereas in the other apartments, other towers, there are 2 lifts for 8 flats on the same floor. So we have got 2 elevators in this building for 4 flats. I'll show you the view from here as well. A huge open area, and there is this basketball court and the badminton court downstairs. A couple of schools coming up and hospital coming up from the main road.